So welcome to my video. Today I am in the town of Nelson in Lancashire, outside the fire station, and this looks like it's the old public baths, which is now a Kashmiri cash and carry. And as was the tradition then, there was male and female entrances for the public baths. So this is the Kashmiri cash and carry. I'm going to have a quick wander around and just have a look at some of the items that they have for sale. And the smell of spices is very, very nice down here. And I presume that's a halal meat. So there's going to be plenty of stuff here you've probably never seen before. So it's a very well stocked Kashmiri cash and carry. I've just spoken with the owner and he's urged me, please do video what we have, and just wish there was some way that you could get the smell, because the spices are really, really strong but very nice as well. And here you have the full sacks of the spices, with lots of stone terrace streets. This looks like the town centre, and I believe it's called Manchester Road, the main street in Nelson. And here we are walking down the street. There's a barber's shop. So this is the high street in Nelson. Looks like they're doing quite a little bit of work here. There's ongoing work in the town centre. Still on the main road in Nelson, and there's a heck of a lot of takeaway places down here. So I'm just going to walk up the high street just so you can have a look for yourself what there is on offer in downtown Nelson. This looks like the main shopping area. And there is a rather impressive church here. It looks like it's derelict. There seems to be a big Asian community here, so I think it's the places of worship that are going to be the busiest are going to be the mosques. And if you look down the street there though, you've got that beautiful countryside there. And here is a sign on the side of the railings of the church. And lots of cobbled streets here, nestled away in a valley, with lovely verdant green hills there in the distance. And this is Nelson Centre. And a little bit more of the town centre here. There is a war memorial, and looks like a bit of a business district here. And behind me you have the town hall. and a smart row of shops here on the terrace. And this is the public library.